nice and beautiful, guys. So basically I got some similar recipe like this on my YouTube channel and also on my Instagram and my Facebook page, all of over there. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is simple. Cut my lemon into half, and I'm gonna squeeze half of the lemon juice into my cup, and I'm gonna squeeze half into this one. Alright, as I said, I always say to my fans, and you don't have to do the way I'm doing my recipe. If you have another option, please do so and share it with Chef Ricardo. Now we're gonna just simply put 2 pieces in this and 1 in this one. Alright, what I'm going to do in this one, I'm gonna put some cinnamon powder. Nice one, that's fresh, and a pinch of cayenne pepper, teaspoon of honey, I'm gonna put apple cider vinegar, right. So that is lovely and nice, and as I said before, you don't have to do my recipe, guys. It's just to keep us up to date, and you know what I mean, remember, we can drink this before we go to our bed at night time. Let's take out a teaspoon, put in this with the cinnamon. Let's taste them. That is perfect, and not only that, I love it. It's really, really nice. As I say, please enjoy it, and you know what I mean, as I said, drink this one before you go to your bed at night and even early in the morning. I like to just share you guys a recipe like this because it's just good to keep us up to date and to remind us that, you know, maybe we can drink a nice lovely cup of tea like this before we go to our bed at night time. So if you like the recipe, please subscribe, leave your comments in the description box, and please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes and a lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo team. So please stay tuned, and I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Bye bye.